Are you ready to explore some fall decor? Check out these fabulous finds I picked up at the dollar store. They're perfect for your DIY projects or for a quick room redo. Hey good people! Welcome to Mommy Room Redo. This is a show to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you what I got from the Dollar Tree. Hey sis! We know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. It's fall now, so I've picked up a few goodies that we can use to decorate our home for the new season. So here are a couple of things that I think would go great for any type of outside decor. Of course, we have our orange pumpkins. I think I'm going to use these to decorate a wreath. So I'm excited about that, as well as some ribbon. This is the brown and the orange. Nice. And I'm loving this pumpkin. It's a different color than the orange, so I'm excited about how that's going to blend with these ribbons. This right here, this is the frame for the wreath. So I'm trying to decide if I'm going to make a giant wreath or a smaller wreath, or maybe I'll do both, maybe one for the back door and one for the front. So I'm looking forward to that. And then I have some burlap left, so I'm wondering if I'll use this for the wreath as well. So this is all stuff right here for the wreath. And here's a pick, so that'll be really neat. And then here's another pumpkin that comes in orange. So tune in when I decorate the outside wreath. So that's that part. Now, I don't typically do any kind of scary stuff for Halloween. I like to really decorate for fall, but I couldn't resist these orange spiders, so I'm going to find a place for that. Now we're going to get into the inside decor. All right, so these are some glass pieces that I found. I love these candlestick holders. And the reason is because you can do and make a whole bunch of DIYs using these candlestick holders. So I bought quite a few of these. I spent a whopping $56 in the Dollar Tree. So as you can see, I purchased quite a bit. But I purchased a bunch of these because I plan to make other things with them. And hopefully you'll tune in when we do our fall candlestick makers or our fall decor. More candlestick holders, yes. But this, let's see if it's in this bag. Okay, good. Oh, this right here is a tea light holder, and this is shaped like a leaf. My plan is to paint this and to put these around, and of course I'm going to paint it orange, so tune in for that. Now these are glasses that they had at the Dollar Tree. So this says autumn leaves and pumpkin please. And there are some other ones. Yes. Yes, this one says grateful. Okay, and so my plan is to attach this to this and do a candlestick holder like that, and then maybe give this a little more height by tripling this, something like this, and then doing another one of those. When I do candlesticks or any kind of decor, I like to do either 1 or 3. So I'm going to do a set of 3 candlestick holders or candle holders, and I'm doing that for the mantle, and I think it will look super cool for fall. So I have a whole bunch of stuff in here. Here's another one right here. This one says grateful as well, but it's a different style. So I have this one, and this one. So I like the fact that they're all 3 different designs, but they all are related to fall. And like I said, I'm going to use that for decorations on the mantle. So tune in for that. This right here is the wired jute cord, and I specifically got this to decorate another glass item. Yes, this right here. So I'm going to use this to hang in the bathroom for fall, and I'll probably decorate it with this around it and put a candle in it, and this will be in my bathroom. Like I said, I either decorate in 1s or 3s, so this will be solo. Tune in for that. I have these candles that I'll be making. I love these. Now when I first saw them, this was a wood color, so you'd have to paint it, but then I actually found it in black. So this also was $1, and I plan to do a triple threat of this and connect it together and put some rhinestones on it and a candle, an orange candle. So I will have these around my kitchen, and so that will look lovely for fall as well. Then we also have these, which I think are cool. They fit in here, so I love that. So they're pumpkins, and they will fit in these cups. And so like I said, that will be my mantle decoration. I bought them in 3 different colors. And then this is cool. This is an acorn. So I'll put this around as well. So I'm loving my decorations. And yes, there's something else though that I found when I went to the dollar store, and that is that the dollar store now sells items that are more than $1. So they've capitalized on just having cheaper items, but they're not just $1 anymore. And so I had to buy some items that were more than $1 to complete my decor. So I bought this, and I think this is going to be used as a centerpiece for my table. I know I got a special request from folks asking me to make a fall centerpiece. So I'm going to use this for my centerpiece, as well as this. I'm going to paint it, and I'll use this as well as some other decorative items for my centerpiece. So I have that. These are the candles that I'm going to use for this. So you'll see that. And tune in, please, for all of the decorations that we will do for fall. I hope to do a couple a week, and maybe I'll do some live performances or some live DIYs. So that should be pretty cool. I also found these, which these were my guilty spend at the dollar store. Like I said, everything is not $1 anymore. They've increased the prices due to inflation. So this was actually $5. So I bought 3 of these, but I absolutely love it because you can write on both sides and you can use it for all holidays. So I envision drawing pictures on these, on the chalk side or using the marker side and making notes for people. I could put these in the bedroom when I have guests and write people a note. I can put these in the bathroom and write people notes. So I love these. And if I had a party, I would use these as the centerpiece to let people know either the table number or put a nice message on them. So this is a cool steal from the dollar store. Like I said, it's not $1, it's $5, but I really think that this is worth it for $5. So I just wanted to share with you all the things, all the goodies, all the fall goodies that I got from the dollar store for my fall decor DIYs. I've also gotten just some fall things to decorate my kitchen, and that's the mitt gathers the theme at the dollar store, which is cool. And I got my dishcloths and dish towels, so I'll be putting those out as well for fall. And of course, for my hot plates, I'll have this. So I hope you'll join us for MommyRoomREDO Fall Edition. We'll be doing a whole bunch of DIYs and room makeovers. Happy fall to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. So please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Take care.